Right, what I want to make here, a little tiny dinky, like a matchbox. Okay. So that's 3.5 by 1.5. So I want it to be marked at 1/2 inch and 2. Sorry, 2.5 by 3.5. 1/2 inch and 2, and then 1/2 inch and 3. And that's just going to make our little dinky box. Okay, and then we'll need a sleeve to put it on. So the sleeve's going to need to be 2.5 inches. 2.5 inches by 3 by 4. 2.5 inches by 4. So just 2.5 inches by 4.5. Okay, so I'm just going to cut that with my scissors. I'm not going to bother with the cutting machine. And I'm just literally using up scraps, but this will be just perfect just to put little bits and bobs in under a tree. So what you want to do with that is score it at 1/2 inch, 2, 2.5 and 4. Okay, that's it. And this is just like a little dinky matchbox, and I'm just going to use some more of this paper. I'm just going to use a strip down the middle of each box, right to the end. Oops. So put a strip down the middle of that one. And then little tiny thin strips down the sides. So I need 2 more pieces that are this size, but I want them, and you can trim them at the end, and you want them to be 1 row of the pattern wide. Okay. This is like the super easiest project you'll ever do in your life. So just okay, and then just glue your strips on. To just tie my tinsel. I've got my bow stuck to my hand. Tie my tinsel like so, with a little bow on it. So I've got a little bow at the top, and my tinsel. And then I'll just get my little bow. I'm just going to stick it over my little gift box like that. And then I'm just going to tie a little knot And there we go. That can be hung on the Christmas tree. And how lovely is that? You can even add a jingle bell if you want. I forgot to add one. How cute is that? And inside there could be some money, or there could be some little golden coins, chocolate coins, or there could be an IOU, or there could be a good thing to do for somebody, a good deed to do, or yeah. Isn't that cute? Look at that. So yeah, so there's a couple of very simple, easy projects using the clearance rack goodies. And imagine how many of those you could make using some cardstock. I mean, you could even make them with the paper, to be honest. But yeah, I'm going to buy some more of those bows and some more of that tinsel myself, because it's good stuff, that. I can't help it. Right, so that's just an idea for that one then. I'm going to have to just grab my makes I've done today, because I'm going to take photographs of them. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye bye.